To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be solving one more problem in which they have asked us to calculate the borrowing cost. The question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question. Z company is constructing the qualifying asset of 90 lakh. So here we have an qualifying asset. ಒಂದು asset ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ qualifying asset. ಆ asset ಇನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 90 lakh rupees. 90 lakh rupees. ಈ 90 lakh rupees ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. They are borrowing from various sources. First is 40% is borrowed. So 40% of the amount is borrowed from 5% debentures. So out of this 40% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 90 lakh into 40%. ಎಷ್ಟು 90 lakh into 40%. When you do 90 lakh into 40% will be 36 lakh. So this 36 lakh they are borrowing from debentures. Debentures ಮೂಲಕ 36 ಲಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30% ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ 30% ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಂಡಿಂಗ್. 30%ನ ಯಾವ ಮೂಲಕ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ SBI ಲೋನ್. ಸೊ SBI ಲೋನ್ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 30% ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 90 lakh into 30%. 90 lakh into 30% will be 27 lakhs. ಈ 27 lakhsನ SBI ಲೋನಿಂದ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 100% ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40 and 30 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 30%. ಸೊ 90 lakh into 30%, that is 27 lakh. They are raising through bank overdraft ಮೂಲಕ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is the information. Directly they have not given, indirectly they have mentioned in the question. So from this we need to calculate the borrowing cost of the asset by using this particular information. Okay. Calculation of annual borrowing cost. Calculation of annual borrowing cost. Particulars rupees. First, interest on debentures. First debentures ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Interest on debentures. How much is the total debentures? Total debentures are 36 lakh. And what is the interest? They have told that 5% debentures. So interest will be 5%. So 36 lakh into 5% will be 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Next they have told that repayable after 10 years at 10% premium. After 10 years they are repaying it at 10% premium. So we should write that premium on debentures. What is the total value of debentures? It is 36 lakh and at 10% premium after 10 years. So they are repaying after 10 years, but we want only 1 year's expenses. So 36 lakh into 10% into 1 divided by 10 will be 36,000. Next we have SBI loan. So it will be interest on SBI loan. What is the total SBI loan? Total it is 27 lakh. 27 lakh into what is the interest from SBI loan for 5 years? Consultation 1 lakh at 10% interest. So SBI loan is 10% interest we have to pay on the SBI loans. So 27 lakhs into 10%, it will be 2,70,000. they have told that consultation charges 1 lakh, but it is for how many years? 5 years. We want only 1 year's consultation charges, so therefore it will be consultation charges 1 lakh rupees is a consultation charges divided by 5 years, because we want only 1 year's charges, it will be 20,000. Next we have balance, that is overdraft. Next we have to pay the interest for them. Interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft. So how much is the total overdraft we have taken? That is 27 lakh. 27 lakh into how much? 5% bank overdraft. So you have to pay 5% interest into 5%. So 27 lakh into 5% will be 1,35,000. Now we have to add all this. Okay, now let us add 1,80,000 plus 36,000 plus 2,70,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,35,000. The total will come around 6,41,000, and this 6,41,000 is total annual borrowing cost. Total annual borrowing cost. This is how you need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. If you have understood, well and good. If you get any doubt while solving the problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I can respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.